we start building these websites for companies. There is slider section, about section, services, portfolio, team, frequently asked questions, and the contact form. Okay, for front end, in the beginning, the theme was like this. Instead of a logo, just text, 3 sliders. About was like this photo and video. Then services, portfolio was like this, team like this, frequently question like this, contact form. Okay, we set up these templates in Django, then we changed all the contents dynamically through database using the architecture of Django and VT models for database views for functions or logic part, then templates. At the end, our website's front end would be like this. We changed logo instead of text. We changed 3 sliders. We changed about, image, and video.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We changed services, portfolio with detail, projects. We changed team, frequently asked questions, and the contact form. For backend, Django offers extensive customization options for the backend, where developers can enhance the admin panel's appearance. We installed Jasmine application to change the default backend. We give a try to show you how to change the sliders. Sliders. There is sliders. There is photo of sliders. If we change sliders like this by this, we save and we refresh here. We refresh and there is this photo changed. Okay. Then we update, save, then we refresh, then we updated slider. For about, we can change it dynamically. For this photo, we can change it by this. We save, then we refresh and we change it. Okay, we change it this photo. We save, then we refresh, we update it for about section. The same for services. If we change it, the title like the first service, we save, we'll refresh the first service. Okay, we update, we'll refresh, and there we go. Okay, the same for portfolio. We can change that. For portfolio, one, we can change this photo by portfolio one. We save, then we refresh. There we go. Okay, we click on detail. There we go. Okay, we update the second time by this, and we save. We refresh. There we go. Okay, we click on for portfolio. There we go. For team, we can change this photo by team by this. We refresh. There we go. Okay. We change. We refresh. There we go. For frequently asked questions, the first one, the first FAQ, save. We refresh the first. Okay, we save, then we refresh. There we go. For contacts, we can test like Mr. James, email james.gmail, subjects, I need these websites for my clients. Message, I need it as soon as possible. Then we check here, we check on contact form. There is James Gmail. James, I need these websites for my clients. I need it as soon as possible. Okay, and date message. Okay, for time. We save it, and the last one, we can change all information in this website like email, logo, contacts, company name, phone, social media URL. Okay, there is a general setting to change the 5 icon and the logo here. Company name, there is 5 icon, 5 icon, 5 icon, 5 icon. We change it. It is a logo, company name, email 1, 2, phone, address, URL. we change just 5 icon and we refresh and there we go, we change it. Okay, we change it these 5 icon, then now we save it and we refresh and there we go, 5 icon, 5 icon changed. Okay, finally, I hope you enroll this course for learning and start building websites for your clients to boost your business.